myself, Dr. Utpal Visa, Professor and Head of Mechanical Engineering Department at Government Engineering College, Modasa. I welcome you at Mechanical Engineering Program of Government Engineering College, Modasa. Mechanical Engineering Department was established in 1989 and it is governed by Director of Technical Education under Education Department, Gujarat State. At present, Mechanical Department is offering undergraduate program in Mechanical Engineering with intake capacity of 120 students. Mechanical program was accredited by NBA for 3 years from year 2008. Mechanical Engineering Department is affiliated to Gujarat Technological University and approved by AICTE. Vision of our department is build a strong teaching, learning and research environment to prepare determined, innovative, inventive, self-esteemed and goal-oriented mechanical engineers with good technical knowledge, analytical and soft skill. Department has well qualified and experienced, committed faculty members with positive attitude and ethics. Department has well cadre ratio of 1 professor, 3 associate professor and 21 assistant professor. 4 faculty members are having PhD degree, 8 faculty members are pursuing their PhDs. Department has well equipped laboratories, computer facilities and workshop facilities which fulfill the curriculum requirement for the students. Department has a sufficient number of personal computers with advanced license like ANSYS and MATLAB softwares. Department has a workshop facilities consisting of carpentry, fitting, turning and milling. Department is fortunate to have Design Innovation Center to cope up with all the latest trends in design and innovation, entrepreneurship and technological advancement. It promotes knowledge sharing and collaboration amongst industry, academia, government institute, research laboratory, etc. In addition to the regular academic work, the students of the department are encouraged to participate in co-curricular activities. Our department is committed to provide outcome-based education by various teaching learning aids and well-equipped laboratories. Our institute is awarded Best College in Innovative Practices and Online Teaching in award function conducted by Education Department, Government of Gujarat on the occasion of Teachers' Day in the year 2020. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Bharat Khatri, PhD in Manufacturing, working as Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, Government Engineering College, Modasa. I am a Department NBA Coordinator. Our department major mission is to provide domain knowledge and developing technical skills among the students. We have the 2 buildings. One is main building, Mechanical Engineering Department building. Second is a workshop building. Let's start the visit of first building, Mechanical Engineering Department.
welcome to the Laboratory of Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines. I am Dr. Jigar Gamit, working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department, and we have with us our lab assistant, Mr. HM Worker, who is working in the department. This lab works in the conjunction with the theory course offered in the 4th semester of Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines. In the academic year of 2017-18 and 18-19, 2 separate subjects were offered to cover the fundamental aspect as well as the application aspect of the fluid mechanics and hydraulic machines. That is, in the 4th semester, fluid mechanics subject was offered, whereas in the 5th semester the application part was covered in the fluid power engineering.
Hello everyone, myself Professor P.R. Panchal, Assistant Professor at Mechanical Engineering Department in GEC Modasa. Welcome to the Laboratory of Automobile Engineering. This laboratory is equipped with various types of mechanisms which are used in automobile.
Myself, Professor S.P. Patel, Associate Professor Mechanical Engineering Department. This is an internal combustion engine lab. We have a facility of single cylinder water cooled diesel engine test rig coupled with electrical dynamometer, and it is attached with sensors as well as the temperature measurement facilities.
Welcome you in Heat Transfer Laboratory. I am Professor R.B. Shah, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at GEC Modasa. This laboratory is equipped with various experimental setup.
Welcome to Refrigeration and Air Conditioning Lab. Myself Nisha Bora, Associate Professor in Mechanical Engineering. In our lab we have few test rigs.
Hello, welcome to myself KP Prajapati, Assistant Professor Mechanical Engineering Department at GEC Modasa. This particular lab is for kinematics of machine, theory of machine as well as the dynamics of machine. In the kinematics of machine, students learn about the structure and the different elements of the machine, and to demonstrate we have a different varieties of models in this particular lab. We have a different inversion of slider crank mechanism as well as the 4-bar chain mechanism.
Hi, I am Dr. Hiren Prajapati, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. I am welcoming all of you in my computer-aided design lab. This is a CAD lab in which we have adequate number of computers are available, all the computers are connected with internet facility. In all computers we have a dedicated softwares of mechanical engineering like ANSYS, MATLAB are installed.
Myself, Professor Samruddhi Patel, working as an assistant professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Welcome to the conference room of our department. The seminar room has facility of 100 students capacity. The seminar room also has facility of internet, projector and audio systems. We conduct here various departmental activities like expert talks, STDPs, FDPs and placement activities and many more. Now here you can see the faculty seating arrangement. The number of faculties are sitting here. Now you can see the high ventilated classrooms where outcome based education teaching learning process has been carried out.
Let's see the facility in the mechanical engineering workshop building.
Warm welcome to the project lab. I, Piyush Mistry, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering, welcomes you all at this place where the final year students of Mechanical Engineering is demonstrating their projects over here.
Myself, Professor H.I. Chaudhary, working as Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at Government Engineering College, Modasa. Welcome to all in this Material Science and Metallurgy Lab. So, this course offer in third semester of second year UG program. So, in this laboratory we have the one major equipment which is known as a metallurgical microscope. This laboratory equipped with various measuring instrument, okay, which is used for the linear measurement, angular measurement and the velocity measurement. So, these are the some device, okay. This device is a vernier caliper which is used for the linear measurement.
Welcome to Computer-Aided Manufacturing Labs. Myself, Pratik Parekh, working as an Assistant Professor in a Mechanical Engineering Department. Lab facilities include the CNC turning machines, is a Jyoti Make. Second one, mill trainer, VMC mill trainer. Third one is a 5-axis robot. One of is the bench drill grinder. Second one is a wire cut EDM machine and the die sinking EDM machine.
Welcome in Manufacturing Process Lab. Myself Kapil Banker, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department at Government Engineering College, Modasa. This is Manufacturing Process Lab in which number of conventional machines are available. In this laboratory, 11 lathe machines, 1 knee and column type milling machine and 4 shaper machine are available. And on this machine, number of operations can be performed.
Welcome to workshop manufacturing practice in fitting shop lab. Myself R.N. Bodar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Workshop manufacturing practice is the subject of first year students and it is common for all branches. Yes, sir. He is Mr. I.R. Kalaswar, instructor in fitting shop and carpentry shop. Some job available here in carpentry shop done by students and this lab capacity one batch at a time.
Welcome to Engineering Graphics and Design Lab. Myself Professor J.R. Bhavsar, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Engineering Graphics and Design subject is offered for first year student. It is common for all the branches.